got offered a $2 million job.
All right. Not that I was eavesdropping, though, but didn't the angry woman just tell you not to take a job from that particular person?
What are you getting $2 million
Jesus.
for?
How? Where?
What?
Why?
Anyway, she's an angry and bitter woman. Not like this one right here. She's not the boss of me.
All I'm saying is keep it simple. I mean, why make things more complicated than they need to be? Maybe the angry lady knows something.
Yeah, caveman, maybe your sister knows something. You smell.
Do I smell? I choose experience over listening to the words of my sister. Free bird.
Okay, free bird, but mark my words, nothing good comes from someone offering you $2 million.
I gotta get to the counter. How hard can it be? Window doesn't work. Fuck!
And I said the moon of Kentucky just to keep on shining. Shine on the one that's gonna be blue.
Blue moon of Kentucky, baby, keep on shining. Shine on the one that's gone, let me blue. It was on a moonlight night, stars shining bright. Whisper on high, love said goodbye.